Hi, this is Jeremy Bradshaw from MarineMax in Venice. This is one of our new arrivals here, 2019 Boston Whaler 230 Vantage. So what we'll do, we'll kind of go through the boat, point out some of the options. As you can see here, this one's got the beautiful light blue gel coat underneath our hardtop. You also have the same color there, very, very sharp. We've got our big 300 Verado back here. This is an optional white Mercury right here. Trim tabs. This boat also has, besides the hardtop being an option, has the fishing package, which gives you recirculating bait well, additional rod holders in the transom. She does have built-in battery charger, great seating all the way around. So for a 23-foot boat, this thing has a lot of room to it. Very high sides, of course, the AccuTrack hull. Plenty of room here in the console to do any custom installs on electronics. This particular one does have your windlass. Pressure water system right up here, as well as one in the stern. Very comfortable seating all the way around. Does have a fully enclosed head as well. This is going to be your porta potty with dockside discharge. That inside there is your canvas. You have a cockpit as well as a bow cover. So 23 Vantage, super, super popular boat. We sell a lot of these. It's a great family boat, great fishing boat, and great cruising boat. So it covers a lot of bases. So to recap, 2019 Boston Whaler 230 Vantage located at MarineMax in Venice. Again, my name is Jeremy Bradshaw. If you'd like some additional information, feel free to give us a ring. The number here at MarineMax in Venice is 941-485-3388. Thank you again for taking the time, and we hope to talk to you soon. Bye-bye.